Thumzup announcing dramatic pivot into the cryptocurrency space, signaling a reinvention that has captured both excitement and controversy. Once known primarily as a niche social media marketing firm, Thumzup recently unveiled a bold crypto treasury strategy backed by Donald Trump Jr., and now it has doubled down by announcing the all stock acquisition of Dogehash Technologies, an industrial scale blockchain miner focused on Dogecoin and Litecoin. The market reaction has been turbulent, with shares of TZUP falling more than 40% as investors digest the risks of dilution, execution challenges, and the company's sudden identity shift. Still, the long term ambitions are striking. Dogehash Profile. The miner currently runs 2,500 Scrypt ASIC rigs across North America, relying heavily on renewable energy with active plans to scale its fleet further. Strategic direction. Thumzup is not only betting on traditional mining revenues, but also on emerging Dogecoin Layer-2 solutions. The company highlighted plans to stake mine Dogecoin into DeFi protocols within the DogeOS ecosystem, creating an additional revenue stream beyond base block rewards. Crypto Treasury Play. Just last week, Thumzup revealed it would allocate capital from a $50 million all common stock offering into a diversified basket of major cryptocurrencies: BTC, ETH, Doge, LTC, and XRP, while also funding the mining expansion. Deal terms: Dogehash shareholders will receive 30.7 million shares of Thumzup in exchange for 100% ownership. After closing, the combined entity will be renamed Dogehash Technologies Holdings Inc. and trade on the NASDAQ under the new ticker XDOG. The Trump family connection adds a political and cultural dimension to the deal, with Donald Trump Jr. as a significant shareholder and the broader Trump network increasingly tied to crypto ventures, ranging from Bitcoin mining to blockchain platforms. The move has fueled speculation about whether the Trump brand could energize Dogecoin and Litecoin adoption narratives. While critics highlight dilution risks, execution hurdles, and the abrupt nature of Thumzup's transformation, bulls see a speculative crypto proxy play with meme coin upside, political backing, and potential institutional interest. If executed successfully, XDOG could position itself as a leading publicly traded Dogecoin mining and infrastructure company, tapping into both meme culture and crypto's industrial backbone.
Yes, TZUP down 55%. This is Tuesday, the 19th of August. Yeah, let's see now. Rebound projection on this daily chart is 9.4. Underlying trend, I think, okay, if you like, still bullish. Yeah, the stock has been showing a lot of weakness since Friday, the 8th of August. And there was some stability around from the 12th up till Friday the 15th, but time couldn't hold after it actually started decaying yesterday, the 15th, the 18th. For the upper projections here says 8.88, 12.5, 14.77, 16.17. Yeah, let's see now. Selling pressure has gone bearish. Yes, everything has gone bearish. However, we have solid or strong second derivatives indicating that maybe the stock might find a bottom at some point or pretty soon. So this is the 4-hour chart. Lower prices are expected to remain in place up till when is this? Up till tomorrow's closing still today's closing session, and then by the post market session we might get a bounce, but it's not expected to hold. We're going to get we may have a distributive contraction that may remain in place up till Wednesday, the 27th of August. Here on the 4 hour chart, we have 3.4 downward projection, 0.4930 downward projection, and even a lot deeper downward projections. We have upper projections here as well: 10.74, 11.40, 11.82. As of that was as of Monday yesterday, and then 14.79 as of Thursday the 14th. Yeah, the same Thursday we had 14.79, 13.84, 15.59, 16.66. And as of Friday the 1st of August, we had 16.93, 18.66, 19.72. Ample room to the upside. Selling pressure must be amplified. Yes, everything is severely bearish on this 4 hour chart. There isn't any bottom in sight. There's no bottom in sight. Yeah, that's why probably we are looking at further weakness going on all the way towards the end of this month. Yeah, there's no guarantee this will happen. Deep buyers are very much aware of what's going on. They may decide to buy this deep, and this extrapolation may change totally. So let's see what's going on. Let's see how liquid this market is. Whether it's just a case of aggression, which will always affects liquidity. It doesn't look that liquid, even though we have double-digit figures here. But you can see we have a lot of ones and threes and twos. Let's see. We've seen the projections already. Yeah, nothing. We could just have a look at its weekly chart. Just get an impression of what the overall trend is. Okay. Before now, yeah, as of early February, was in an uptrend. All this weakness is just came was early this month. That's when this weakness all came into play. But outside that, the downtrend that began when it was listed was turned, was reversed from early March. But we're now looking at another downtrend again. So that's what's going on. Stock is down 56.57. A lot of weakness. I mean, the highlight falls. The what some would say sideways movement, consolidation, but it's looking at like a lot, 57%. The chance of a bounce happening is there. However, I think it leans towards well, we actually have that in play. Yeah, it's on the 4 hour chart. This loss is a lot, so maybe a brief bounce is expected, but more of the consolidation is ultimately what is expected. Yeah, a bounce is expected, no doubt. It makes sense to expect that. However, this contraction, this climatic, or rather this severe weakness that's going on, it always calls for a consolidation to understand what has happened, to digest. This is this traumatic event, if you like. Yeah. Okay, intraday low 3.5 at some point. It has pulled back from them, from those that low. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.